This 1945 Spanish-style, immaculately maintained and newly updated home is located in La Jolla Shores. The hardscaped front courtyard greets you as you enter this beautiful home. Consider the courtyard a perfect play area for the kids or to simply entertain. Walk through the graceful archways and marvel the hardwood floors throughout the home that complement the Spanish decor. The backyard features a large whitewater ocean view deck where you can enjoy peace and tranquility outdoors while taking in the breathtaking views. The views continue inside through the large picture windows in the family room, where relaxation is easy. The natural light expands into the living room. A separate dining room and kitchen with modern appliances make family dinners enjoyable. From the master bedroom, walk outside and take in the fresh ocean air. This private, more than 2,600 square foot home also features 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms on the main floor, and a separate full guest 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment with its own kitchen below. Why not end your day watching the beautiful sunset from world-famous La Jolla Shores Beach, or enjoy a divine meal at one of the many indoor-outdoor restaurants just a short stroll from this Spanish-style gem of a property. With the location second to none, easy access to sand, shops, and dining al fresco, and a style and layout perfect for family, entertaining, and the SoCal lifestyle, it doesn't get much better than this. It's perfect for any family wanting to live in this prestigious location. Truly a luxury home destination.